Selamat pagi menjelang siang untuk kita semuanya. Apa kabarnya? Peserta gimana, apa kabarnya? How are you today? How do you feel right now? It's already nervous? Okay. You are still nervous? Okay, after the performance. Right. So everyone, I would like to say congratulations for all of you. Give applause for them. For those who has given a good performance in front of us. And also I want to give applause for your teacher. Okay. And also for your family. Give applause, yeah, for the support, yeah, that has been given to our students in here that has given a good performance for today's competition. Right. So what I said before, yeah, you have given a good performance. So we are difficult to choose, yeah, who is going to be the winner. But we have to choose, yeah, we have to choose the winner for this competition. And what I want to say for all of you, yeah, don't be sad or don't be disappointed because that you will not get the title to be the winner, because a lot of events out there, you can improve yourself, and the most important thing is that you have to practice, yeah, practice more to give or to deliver speech in front of the people. So before we announce for the winner of this English speech competition, I would like to give some comments or maybe advice for all of us. First is that we have to know what speech is. Okay. Speech is not reading. Speech is not only just talking. Speech is the expression, okay, of our thoughts. How to convince people, how to influence people with our critical idea. So we must know about that. And also, we have to know about the important point in the speech. There are two. First is the content, and the second one is how we deliver that to the people. And then we have to have a good strategy about the time. For example, in the beginning, we have to get the people's attention. That is in the beginning. Okay, and then in the body of the speech, how we convince, how we influence people by the information that we give. And at the end of our speech is that how can we make people remember us, remember our performance. So that is the strategy of the time. Beginning, the body, and then the ending of the speech. Okay? And also, I want to give you information related to the pronunciation. If we look at the Sport Dictionary, to say diversity is not diversity, okay? It should be diversity. And then to say unity, not unity. Okay? But if it is add with ed, it will be united. Okay? So remember that for all of the participants for this English speech competition. But once again, I would like to say congratulations and support for all of you. Okay, maybe Kalito, would you like to give advice or comments with the performance, please?
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, our beloved students who joined the competition. I'm so grateful being here. I would like to take this moment also to thank the Rumah Pintar Askari Kapuas. Kalita, thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to be one of the jurors today. Today, I feel so impressed to hear the speeches from the young generations of Kapuas. I'm so proud. While I was sitting there, I could see that all the young generation of Kapuas are totally visionary. They're totally visionaries. You guys are so amazing. This is not only a competition, but this is the stage, the moment, the event, the opportunity for you to sound the voice of creativity, to sound the voice of knowledge, intelligence, diversity, a very good message you bring. And it can really inspire many young generations, not only the young generations, I believe, all the generations, yeah? And all the points that Mr. Ipan already told us today, you can learn from that. And one more important thing that I always carry in my mind is that if you are someone from Borneo, especially Central Borneo, especially Kapuas Regency, our beloved Regency, you must be proud you can speak English this well. Why? Take a moment. If you go out of this island, you take off with your plane, you see that we are surrounded with this amazing nature. We are surrounded by the forest. The question is, how can someone who lives inside of the forest can speak English very well? That's the proof that we are unlimited. You have the potential, and your voice is totally sounded and can be heard to the world. The last but not least, keep studying hard and inspiring many. Thank you very much for the opportunity.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I think a lot of comments outside. But first of all, thank you for having us again, teams. Thank you for inviting us to Kapuas. I think this is the third time I go to Kapuas, and we was in the travel, and yeah, I remember when I was in the high school, and then when I go to the province level. I'm from South Barito, right? Then I talked to Paipan. When I was in the province level, I met some friends from Kapuas. They are all, outstanding students. Really confident to show their opinion and something else. So I think this is good for you guys. That actually in the last 5 years. I didn't access like you in these competitions, right? Then when I go to the university, then I got a lot of opportunity. So congratulations to you that have been, a lot of opportunities here. And if you can get some opportunity, like you can access others' opportunities, right? So the one thing that I want to give you some advice is try to watch. Like Jeff Bezos, CEO of Apple. When you speak in this field, right, you are important person. Like you are president, you are governor or governor, you are bupati. They want to speak to people. So the first thing they mentioned earlier, they have to get attention of all of them. Try to want to speak like I'm the CEO of Apple. I want to show the product of Apple to everyone. You can use the property. I love the property like right? You can use your heaven like you can open the speech like I'm important persons, right? I want to announce this one that you can ask them. This one. This is the Apple. This is the Android. We have diversity in the handphone. And they try to slow down. Don't move fast when you talk, your opinion. Right? Try to slow down. More slow you speak, more everyone see you. Ya, ketika teman-teman tadi berbicara itu bisa diperombat. Ya. Karena teman-teman yang akan disaksikan oleh orang jangan terburu-buru sekali. Ya. Akhirnya nanti bisa salah mic-nya. Tadi boleh kalau mic-nya belum proper tuh ya, sebelum ini udah speak dulu, cek udah, then go, whatever it is, go with your performance gitu. And then after all, ya do the best. Jangan nanti waktu di performance Anda concentrate-nya berubah nih buat fix the microphone, right? Nah, kebanyakan gitu. But yeah, you're good. Give applause to you that have been doing your best, and hopefully we can meet again in other opportunities like diaspora mungkin menyelenggarakan public speaking tingkat provinsi, and I think Papua be already because a lot of champions here. So that's all for me. That's it, and that's all. Congratulations once again, and I appreciate for the teachers and also the parents for coming here. Thank you very much.
Okay, so without further ado, we would like to announce for the winner of English speech competition in the level of senior high school. Saya bacakan dalam bahasa Indonesia. Penetapan pemenang lomba pidato bahasa Inggris tingkat SMA sederajat tahun 2025 menimbang bahwa untuk menentukan pemenang kejuaraan perlu menetapkan peringkat kejuaraan, bahwa tata urutan kejuaraan merupakan keputusan Dewan Juri, mengingat memutuskan menetapkan kesatu pemenang lomba pidato bahasa Inggris tingkat SMA sederajat. Izinkan saya untuk membacakan pemenangan dari juara harapan 3. Juara harapan 3 dengan total nilai 1218 jatuh kepada peserta dengan nomor urut 13. Juara harapan 2 dengan total nilai 1221 jatuh kepada peserta dengan nomor urut 11. Juara harapan 1 dengan total nilai 1230 jatuh kepada peserta dengan nomor urut 2. Juara ketiga dengan total nilai 1235 jatuh kepada peserta dengan nomor urut berapa? 10. Juara kedua dengan total nilai 1246 jatuh kepada peserta dengan nomor urut 15.
Wow, Abraham.
Dan juara pertama atau juara
Kira-kira
satu
nomor 7 juara.
dengan total nilai 1200
Menurut kami bagus.
jatuh kepada peserta dengan nomor urut
7.
berapa?
7.
Berapa?
7.
Nomor urut 7.
Ya, betul.
Congratulations for all the participants who got the title to be the winner, and for those who cannot get that, don't be sad. Okay, just try to fit yourself, try to reflect and evaluate yourself, and then give your best in the future. Congratulations for all of you. Dewan Juri Lomba Pidato Bahasa Inggris tingkat SMA sederajat tahun 2025, Ipan Dwinata MPD, Indrawayu SK, Lintong Mega Setia MPD. Demikian, terima kasih.
Baik, terima kasih kepada Dewan Juri. Mohon izin kita foto bersama dengan seluruh peserta, dan kepada seluruh peserta untuk dapat naik ke atas panggung kita foto bersama dengan Dewan Juri, dan turut mengundang koordinator lomba pertama naskah Kapuas untuk dapat ikut serta dalam foto bersama dengan seluruh peserta dan juga Dewan Juri. Baik, silakan seluruh peserta akan dapat naik ke atas panggung.